Good day everyone. So we will now install the Windows Server R2. So put the VM name first. So I just put it the Windows Server 2012 R2. And after that, select the ISO file. And then make sure you have Microsoft Windows. Then uncheck this, and then after that click next, and then you can customize your preferred memory here. Then next, and then finished. Then after that click start, and then just wait. I just fast forward it, and from here you just need to click next and then install now. Then after that you will see this interface, and just select the second one and then click next. And thereafter that just accept the license terms, and then next. So and then select the custom, and then next. So here I'm going to fast forward it because it takes some time. Just wait. And then after that you'll need to make a password. Make sure it is strong because it will not proceed. After that, click finish, and then click input keyboard, and then this one just click it, and then you will need to sign in the administrator account. Then put the password, and after that you will now see the dashboard. So that's all. We are done installing Windows Server 2012 R12.